guys, Sam and I welcome you to our channel. I hope you're doing good, and if you're new, I'm so happy you found us. Today I am going to show you how to find great digital kits on Etsy, how to read the licensing, what you're agreeing to when you purchase this, all for beginners out there or as a refresher for some that aren't beginners. But before we get started, I just want to say please hit that subscribe button and also that little bell so you know when I upload, because I have more videos planned for this week than there are days in the week, and you don't want to miss out, guys. You don't want to miss out. There's something for everybody. If this video is not for you, come back tomorrow because I guarantee there will be a video for you. Subjects are ranging from everything from cooking to journals to Black Friday deals and much more, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay. If you've never purchased a digital kit off of Etsy, you're kind of unsure even how to use it, well, that's a video this week as well. So let's just get right into how to search out kits and kind of how to determine what the kit is, does it meet your needs, and what are the licensing agreement for that particular kit. So here we are at Etsy, and I typed in the search box, digital Christmas journal kits. You can type in any subject you want, just put digital Mother's Day kits, digital Victorian kits, anything you can think of, type it in there because there's probably a digital kit for it. And as you can see here, a bunch of different kits have pulled up. I mean, they're just all gorgeous. And I just bought one, but I'll hold off showing you the one I bought till the end. I'm going to pick a more traditional one because I will say the one I picked is not very traditional. Okay, so let's pick Vintage Christmas here. This is a Christmas junk journal kit, ephemera pack, holiday ephemera. So that means not only do you get the papers for the junk journal pages, but you get ephemera like journaling cards, tickets, let's see, what else? Journaling cards, tags, tickets. Oh, and she says there's coupon codes and papers. So to know what is in a kit, you go over here to the description and you click Learn More. And then right here, it should tell you everything that is included in this kit. So let's see. What's included? You get 15 digital papers. That's your actual journal papers. One journal cover. Oh, okay. Hold on. So to find out what's in this kit, you click on description and then you go down to what's included in this kit. And it says there's one journal cover, 9 journal pages, 5 fussy cut element sheets. All pages print at 8.5 by 11. So that is a pretty good deal. Let's see. And the pictures just show you kind of sneak peeks. And like here, it shows you get an envelope, you get some journaling cards, you get some tags, and some other fussy cut just to decorate your pages with. So that's pretty good. Now let's see, how much is it? It's $6.29. Now keep scrolling under description and it will say, please read my terms of use and my policies. And she has a link. So you click on that link, or it'll just say, depends on the creator. It tells you about exchanges and returns, and I will say most digitals you don't get your money back for, so make sure it's what you want before you purchase. But it says how you may use her kit. It says you may print files up to 100 times and use the printed images in your tangible art and craft projects that are for personal or commercial use. So she says, yes, you can print this and sell it, but your things that you create with this cannot just be her kit. You can't just print the pages and sell them. You have to print the pages and create something with them, whether it's a journal, a lap book, whether it's placemats, and a whole table setting. You have to use it in some way. And of course, you can't just buy a digital kit and turn around and sell it. Okay? So definitely make sure you read their allowance policies. Now, some people create the kits and they'll say, oh, I only want you to use this kit for personal use. So if you're planning on creating a journal with a kit that you purchase off of Etsy, make sure it's allowed, okay? And most of them will say you can use this kit 100 times or 200 times. I don't know anybody that's made 100 journals from a kit, but I guess it is always possible. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our original, and we're going to go back, let's see here, to, oh, maybe it's this one. Okay, here's our original search for digital kits. Now I'm going to show you the one I got. I got this pink shabby chic Christmas kit. It was $3, and it came with just a ton of stuff. Journal pages, printable pages, envelopes and pockets, ephemera, tags, cards, etc. Labels. I think mine came with bingo cards. So the kit I bought is like this one. It might have been a bigger one than this one because I think it was $6.99. So anyway, this is the kit, and you just, you buy it, you make sure it fits your needs because you can't get returns on digital kits, and you print them. Now, yes, it does cost to print. This is going to use your ink to print these, okay? So you want to make sure that that's, the kit you want. Now, I'm going to go to my kit that I purchased. Okay, and here's one. Here's some words that came with my kit. Here's some tags. I mean, there you can see just this one zip file came with a lot of stuff. And it came with 4 zip files. One's, of course, all the pages. And then the rest are like ephemera, little books, and all sorts of things to make. She gives instructions, papers, all that for the little books, and then words and everything. Okay, so here's the deal. There are 4 of these. Let's see if I can find the other one. Okay, so here's some papers, and as you can see, these are the papers. These are the actual journal pages. And there's a lot, and maybe I don't want all of these pages for my journal. Maybe I just want to use a few. Maybe, you don't have to print every page. You don't have to print every sheet of ephemera. Go in and say I want to print just like 1 and 3, and let's see, I want to print 1, what page is that? 1, and I like this one, which is 9 and 11. So say I just want to print 3 pages. You can do that. You have that option. So don't let a big kit scare you if you like some of the pages but not all of them. When you go to print, just say selected page in sidebar, or say from page 1 to page 1, and then go and print from page 3 to page 3. You can print them out singularly. Some printing programs you can click print page 1, 4, 5. So it depends on your printer. So you don't have to print every item. So don't let that scare you away from getting a digital kit, because you don't have to print them all. You don't have to use all of your ink on pages that you might not even use. How adorable. Anyway, I bought the pink one. Pink's my favorite color, okay? Okay, now we've gone back to Etsy, and I've typed in digital cookbook kit. And then you hit return, and let's see what we get. Here's a digital recipe book right there. Here's a Christmas recipes junk journal kit. Christmas. Here's a vintage recipes junk journal kit. So there's something for everybody. This kit is nice. It's $4.15. Go down to the description right here. Click learn more about this, and it says what you actually want to know. You get 25 8.5 by 11-inch sheets in total. Let's see, there's 14 sheets with 2 pages each, so those are your pages. There's 2 back designs, 6 pages with extra cards, recipe cards, and more, and 3 pages with tabs. So you're getting everything in this kit to make your own vintage junk journal cookbook. And there you can see a picture, and of course, come over to the sidebar if they've uploaded more pictures, and you can see some of the pages right there. You can probably see some of the cards and tags and tabs too. So that gives you a feel of what you're going to get when you purchase these digital kits. Prices are great. Just remember that $4 cost or that $6 or $3 cost is not your end cost, because you do have to print it yourself. So it's going to cost your ink. But again, the deal is you're not paying for pages you don't want. Well, you are, but you're not, because any page you don't want to use, don't print it. It's that simple. And when you break it down and you're getting 25 pages for $4, if you divide $4.15 by 25 pages, see. So you got $4 divided by 25 pages. That's 16 cents a page. So if you don't want to print 3 pages, you're only wasting 48 cents, which isn't bad. And you're saving that much money also in ink. So being able to get a digital kit, pick and choose what you want is great. Okay? Okay, next, let's go see what her policy is for this kit. Say you want to make 3 and sell them. So I scroll down, it says for commercial use, check our policy. So let's scroll down a little more. Okay, and sometimes it's not like labeled, you just kind of have to read everything. But it says buying this item gives you the right to use the designs for personal and limited commercial use according to the terms of our crafting license. For full commercial use, contact us. So let's see if we can figure out where her crafting license is. And I don't see it. Normally let's go to her main page, because if they don't make it extra clear, which I wish everybody would, especially when beginners are trying to learn, it's just easier if the stuff's easy to find. But, Okay, shop policies. Returns. Okay, she accepts returns. Okay, here is her terms of use, which is her policy on how you can use her digital kit. So it says you can use any of our designs as much as you like in physical products that you create yourself and sell. Okay, so that means if you're going to make these for Christmas, if you're going to buy this kit and you're going to print it out and you want to sell them for Mother's Day and say you're going to make up 5, you can do that, okay? Down here she says if you're going to sell more than 1,000, you need to contact us. So this policy is like really large, which is nice. Most are 100 to 200. But anyway, her policy was not super easy to find. So if you're new, make sure you do scroll down and check it out, because people are going to say, well, it doesn't matter. Everybody says you can sell them. No, they don't. Okay, I've actually found some that say, hey, this isn't for commercial use. Don't print and sell this. So make sure you always look at that when you're looking at kits, because that's important. You don't want to get in trouble, and you don't want to hurt somebody's business as well. So if you want to print this out and sell some on your Etsy shop or just to friends, family, whatever, you can do that. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of how to use Etsy, how to search digital kits, how to read what's in the kit, and to read the policies pertaining to if you can sell this kit and how much of it you can sell. But remember, you always have to alter. You can't just print a kit up and sell it as paper. Thanks for being here with me today, guys. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell, because again, I have tons of videos coming up. Also, hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below. What has kept you from buying a digital kit if you've never bought one before? And if you have bought one before, what were some of the problems you had when you purchased one? I will see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.